Algorithmic trading is the backbone of modern financial markets, using computer programs to execute trades at speeds and scales impossible for humans. It's about automating the decision-making process based on predefined rules, removing emotion from the equation entirely. The core principles are simple: speed, accuracy, discipline, and capacity. Speed means decisions in microseconds. Accuracy eliminates human errors like fat fingers. Discipline ensures every trade follows the rules, free from fear or greed. And capacity allows managing thousands of instruments across multiple markets simultaneously. Comparing algorithmic to manual trading highlights the stark differences. Algos offer unparalleled speed and precision, executing complex strategies consistently. Manual trading relies on human intuition and judgment, but is inherently slower, prone to emotional biases, and limited in scale by human attention span. The market is now largely a machine versus machine game. An algo trading system starts by ingesting vast amounts of market data from exchanges. This data feeds into a strategy engine, which analyzes patterns and generates trade signals. These signals then pass through a risk management system, ensuring the proposed trades adhere to predefined limits. Approved orders go to the order management system, which routes them to the appropriate exchange for execution, and finally, execution confirmations loop back to update the system. To grasp the scale, consider this. Over 70% of all U.S. equity trading volume is now executed by algorithms. This isn't just a niche, it's how the market operates, driving liquidity and price discovery. Here's a simplified example of a moving average crossover strategy. If a short-term moving average crosses above a long-term one, signaling upward momentum, the algorithm buys. If it crosses below, indicating downward momentum, it sells. This logic is continuously evaluated by the strategy engine. Strategies vary widely. High-frequency trading profits from tiny price discrepancies over milliseconds. Arbitrage exploits price differences across different markets or instruments. Statistical arbitrage finds mispricings in correlated assets, while mean reversion bets that prices will return to their historical averages after extreme moves. These are just a few examples of the sophisticated techniques employed. Algorithmic trading is a fascinating intersection of finance and deep technical engineering. If you found this explanation useful, consider subscribing for more insights into how complex systems are built and designed. I'm at Dev4Code, and I'll see you in the next video.